Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to use the 5-star reviews platform to start gathering valuable reviews for your business. Once you've logged into the platform, you'll land on the dashboard. To begin requesting reviews from your customers, head over to the left side menu, click on Review Requests, and then select Recipients. You have two options for adding your client's information. The first option is to click the Request Review button. Here, you can easily add clients one by entering their email, phone number, first and last name, and then clicking Request Review. The second option is to use the bulk upload feature. Simply click on the bulk upload button, where you can upload an Excel sheet or CSV file with a list of your past and current customers. When preparing your file, ensure it includes the following columns: first name, last name, phone number, and email. Navigate to your file and click Bulk Upload. On the next screen, you'll see your data on the left side. Drag and drop to match the column headers from your file with the corresponding fields on the right side. Then click Continue to Upload. You'll then see the list of your customers. At the bottom of the list, click Upload. Once uploaded, your customers will be added to the messaging queue, and the software will take care of the rest. Depending on the settings you've chosen for your review campaign, the series of text messages and emails may start immediately after uploading your customer's information, or you can schedule them to be sent out at a time that suits your business. The timing, frequency, and content of these messages are fully customizable to meet your specific needs. When your customer receives the text message, it will look something like this. Upon clicking the link in the text, they'll be taken to a page where they can select the number of stars they'd like to give in their review. If they choose 4 or 5 stars, we'll direct them to submit their review on Google. And there you have it. Getting reviews for your business with 5-star reviews is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you can set up a fully automated process that helps you build a stronger online reputation effortlessly. Let's look at some real-world results from our satisfied clients. Sportset Health and Fitness Club. Before they started with 5-star reviews, they had 246 Google reviews and a 4.8 rating. And now, after using the 5-star reviews platform, they have gained 368 reviews, giving them a total of 614 Google reviews with a 4.9 rating. Halper Family Medicine. Before they started with 5-star reviews, they had 189 Google reviews with a 4.2 rating. And now, after using the 5-star reviews platform, they have gained 393 positive reviews, giving them a total of 582 Google reviews with a 4.4 rating. All City Taxi. Before they started with 5-star reviews, they had 29 Google reviews with a 3.0 rating. And now, after using the 5-star reviews platform, they have gained 156 positive reviews, giving them a total of 182 Google reviews with a 4.8 rating. These success stories demonstrate the power of 5-star reviews in transforming businesses' online reputations. Whether you're a fitness club, medical practice, or transportation service, our platform can help you achieve similar results. Don't let your competitors outshine you online. Start today and let 5-star reviews do the work for you so you can focus on what you do best, running your business.